Alright, if you're like me who likes to run a radar detector, I have an Escort Max 360 right here. It's on. Just kind of focus. There you go. And you want to mirror tap it on your Mercedes AMG GTR, what you need to do is remove the cover right here. Over here. It's just pins. But take note that there's a split cover. There's two of them. So what you do is you use a pry tool like this one. Pry on this side first. Once that side releases, you can pull this down like so. Pull it down so you have access to all this wiring. Okay, make sure. It was a little tough at first, but don't worry, it's just clips, no screws, no nothing. You're not going to break anything. That's why you have to put your pry tool in here to kind of split the two a little bit. Once it releases, you can pull the big piece down. And I decided to mirror tap on this blue power supply here for, I think this is the rain sensing wipers power supply. So now it works. All you have to do is plug that back in. Okay, the mirror tap wires that I have extras of this because I always mirror tap all my cars, so it has kind of clean install. So your red wire goes to the red and green, and right beside it is a brown wire. That's where your ground would be. Okay, red and brown. It's pretty simple. You figure it out. Now it's on. The radar detector is on, and you just plug it back in, and you return the wires. Snake it out, and then you plug it in and return the cover. Okay, it's pretty simple. So this is how you mirror tap your AMG GTR for radar detector or even dash cams, things of that nature. Okay, it's pretty simple. All right, that's how it's done in that power supply right there. Make sure you shove that in really well so it doesn't disconnect, so you don't have to keep doing it again. I'm probably gonna zip tie it to the wire so it doesn't pull out, right? So let me finish this up, and hope you find this helpful and useful, and it's just something that I do. All right, AMG GTR mirror tap for radar detector or dash cams. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.